Hello! Today we're actually going to be switching from the marine invertebrates to marine algae. Algae are really cool. Number one, algae are not plants. They are in different kingdoms, in fact. So we have kingdom Plantae, algae are in kingdom Protista, totally different kingdom. The way that we can tell it's an algae is an algae has no specialized cells. So if you think about a plant, they have roots, they have stems, they have bark, they have leaves. Each of those is a specialized cell. With an algae, each cell can do everything that all the other cells can do. They do have some specialization, like some cells are designed to do some things, but they can all do photosynthesis. They can all do all of the parts that are needed to keep algae going. So the algae that we're going to cover today is the Feather Boa Kelp. This algae is less common in Puget Sound, but oftentimes you will find it on the coasts of Washington, Oregon, British Columbia, and Alaska. So it's a west coast type algae. And the algae itself is this one right here. This is the Feather Boa Kelp Egregia menziesii. The Feather Boa Kelp Egregia menziesii. The way to tell it, we start down here at what is the bottom. This is also known as the hold fast. This would be what would be akin and analogous to a root system. It is not a root system. It is a hold fast. It does exactly as it sounds. It holds fast to a rock. The kelp has this long stipe down the middle. Stipe is essentially a trunk. A long stipe down the middle. And then it has these parts that come off on each side. And so if you think about it, this looks just like a feather boa like you would wear at a costume party. Put it around your neck and have all these little feathers sticking out. This is what the Feather Boa Kelp looks like. Their habitat, coastal. They tend to need a lot of water flow, so they tend to be in places where there's a little bit more water flow. And for all algae, they have to have a rock or something hard to hold on to. So you will never find these in sand. You will never find them on a sandy beach unless they washed in. You will only find them attached to rocks or other hard surfaces. Feather Boa Kelp Egregia menziesii. Yes, this one is plastic. Sorry.